GWF is a FMCG business, manufacturing food. Many popular Australian brands and New Zealand brands you'd be familiar with: Tip Top Bakeries, Don Smallgoods. We've had a very stable SAP environment over many years, and by stable I mean there hasn't been a large amount of business demand to introduce new functionality, new capability. We've sort of looked beyond SAP to deliver that value. So as a result, we've sort of really stabilised and made the core very stable and risk-free. So for us, maintaining that was a priority, and obviously with the Rimini Street model made it a very logical choice for us. In terms of the 2025 roadmap, because we have the Rimini model behind us, we're not forced to do enhanced pack upgrades or patches or anything like that, so we can maintain our environment as is without any great fear. In terms of S4 and HANA, what does that mean for us? Weston Foods has become quite a decentralised business, with those 4 or 5 business units really bastions of their own destiny. The S4 HANA model for us may not necessarily align to that decentralised business, so we have to go back to basics and really investigate what does it mean for IT support in this decentralised model. Does an ERP core make sense? And if it doesn't, then we have to explore alternatives. It's warranted to have that initial fear or that risk that departing ERP maintenance, you don't know what's going to happen. There is that due diligence that you would have to do to make sure that that's well planned for. But for us, we did a lot of planning internally and alongside Rimini Street, and we made sure that shift, that transition was a successful one. So for us, maintaining that reliability has been a key piece. In terms of the savings, yes, they've been significant, and critically for me and my team, it's really allowed us to divert resources away from having to do intensive regression testing, not knowing what's going to happen with enhancement packs. We've been able to divert those resources and utilise those fundings in areas that are going to really leverage more value for our business. So some of those key areas, we've formed a business intelligence and analytics group that's really starting to dabble at the moment in some AI and some machine learning capability, and that's very new area for us, and we're really excited to explore what that means for us. But to reiterate the point, that Rimini model has allowed us to divert those resources, divert those fundings into those areas where our GLT or leadership teams are really looking for us to provide that incremental value on that they just don't see in maintaining a monolithic platform as it is right now.